Said I'ma keep using this voice, is what God gave me. I've been really on it road, growing so impatient. I'm just really trying to grind, I'm just trying to make it. But these people on the sideline, they on they hate shit, yeah. Pray to my Lord and Savior, please show me the way. I hope I make it out the trenches before they take me away. Oh, I say take me away. I wanna make it out for good and get my family a place. I'm trying to know how it feel not to have nothing and then you get it all. Said I'm not even being greedy, I just wanna ball. Cause I done had some hard nights and some hard fights, I've been through it all.
Alright guys, it's 1K TK and we back with another video. We got a couple new items we're gonna be putting on. Throttle and grip, little plastic stock one. I got a little metal one right here, or aluminum. I don't want it no more, so we're gonna take that off. Got some lowering links. Then we got some mirror cap covers. Then we got the extensions, some FTD Customs right there. 12-inch stretch. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with each first. Easiest little piece to put on and take off. All right, here we go. Got the mirrors right here. Take them off. We just gotta take these two caps off. You're gonna need Allen wrenches, Allen keys, whatever you want to call them, to pop these, well, to unscrew these after you pop the caps off. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, I got those caps off. So my Allen key. Go ahead and unscrew those. Real tight. Right there. My other camera, that's my baby right there. Now you gotta see which one goes in here. Yeah, look right, guys. Ain't no telling. Let me see which way I want to go in there. Probably the other way. Got that one on there, just need to tighten it down.
This right here. You can't keep using the link to avoid us, Tasha. It's not fair to him because it won't allow him to grow up. It's not fair to you because it won't allow you to have a meaningful relationship outside of your son. And it's not fair to me, Tasha.
Okay, I'll go to Mexico.
This grown ass man sneaking around the parks all you know, taking some cans.
Do that again. Back to the other side. I get the other one on. Got the other one on there, let's tighten it down.
That's right, baby. With a big old hat on.
We're gonna have you a gang of grandbabies. I'm gonna build you a guest house for the playroom so you can watch it.
Now, what now?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put you at home.
Got those on there. First installation.
Using his voice is what God gave me. I've been really on the road, growing so impatient. I'm just really trying to grind, I'm just trying to make it. But these people on the sideline, they on they hate shit, yeah. Pray to my Lord and Savior, please show me the way. I hope I make it out the trenches before they take me away. Oh, I said take me away. I wanna make it out for good and get my family a